Hi everybody, I wonder if any of you have pets. I have had pets most of my life and I want to show you little memories I have of them, because I have very few now, but I can remember some lovely pets I had. I'm going to make a little paper model of one of the little pets I loved a lot and see if you can guess what pet it was to begin with. Here I'm making it like so, and a little tail here like that. Okay. Now this is going to be the head. But first of all, I'll put it like this, and it looks a little bit like maybe a duck or something. What do you think? But if I pull out the sides here and make it a bit fatter in the head, you can see like so, and then I tuck it in, back one way, out the other way, and then turn the nose back, make a little bumpy nose. Can you see what it is? A little puppy. It's a little dog. Now, the thing about little puppies is they make a lot of noise, and so it's quite good to have one just as a memory. But I remember the kind of noise my little puppy made. Can you think what would it be? Something like yep, yep, arr, yep, 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 yep. When it got excited, it would go woof, 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 woof. But the great thing about having a paper dog is I can remember the lovely puppy, but I can also have a nice quiet puppy as well. So I do miss it, but it's good to have a memory of it. And the next one I'm going to show you was a lovely thing I had. It was given to me by a friend, and I had a little pond for it, and I used to go out on a summer night, and just before it got dark I would see it, and it would be sitting in the pond looking at me. And here it is. If I can make it right, this will give you a clue. If you look at the very center, what do you think this one's going to be? Something green in the center of this, round like this. Now I have to make a narrow bit at the top and narrow bit at the top, and I have to fold over like so, fold over like so, fold up like so, and then fold down like so, and that's it. That should be it when I turn it over. Yes, there we are. Look, can you see? A lovely little turtle with his head there. Nice little turtle. So I had a little turtle one time. A lot of fun to have a turtle. The next one was a much more lively one than a turtle, who was very slow really most of the time. This was a very quick little friend I had as a pet, and I would look after him very well, and we had some good times together. The one thing about him was he was very, very quick, so you had to be careful with him, because he could run away as fast if you let him. And see if I can show you him here, a little bit like him. Oh, here's something coming. Yeah, a little bit of him there. Keep on rolling round. What have we? Yeah, there we are now. Going to make first of all the head using this bit of hanky. I open it out, and if I cross these over, can you see them? I'm going to cross these over and make ears. One ear, two ears. There we are. If I pull them through, we have a little head with ears sticking out, just little ears, and not very big. There he is. And that was my little mouse. Now the trouble with little mice is that they can be very active. If you hold them tight, they're fine, but if not, oh, see how he's beginning to run away? Sometimes they can run away quite fast, so you have to catch them quickly and hold on to them. But he's a lovely little mouse, and we had a lot of good times together, so long as you didn't let him run away, and then he was all right. And so the last one I want to show you, I was sent by a friend who said, I'm going to send you something special. It's a ginger cat and black cat. And when the box or the case arrived, I opened it up and I took out a lovely ginger cat. And then I looked in the corner, no sign of a black cat. I thought it must have got lost, so I said to my friend when I phoned him up, thank you for the beautiful ginger cat, he's lovely, but I couldn't find the black cat. And he said, oh, look at the neck of the ginger cat. And I looked at the neck, and you know what? When I opened it up a little bit, something strange started to happen. It opened up, and there was a bit of black there, another bit of black there, and as I kept turning it round, do you know what happened? I found a black cat all over. So I had a ginger cat and a black cat all in one. And of course, if you want the ginger cat back again, you just keep going round and round and round and round, just like before, and you end up with the ginger cat. So these are just a few of my pets. Hope you've enjoyed them, and I'd love you to talk about your pets with other people, because they are such good friends, aren't they? Bye for now.